Mediacom down again? You're not alone. Thousands are raging online buffering, outages, and those classic customer service nightmares. But don't unplug your router just yet. I've got the fixes Mediacom doesn't want you to know, and how to get for your downtime. If your Mediacom internet is dead, cables glitching, or support ghosted you, stick around. I'll show you how to fix it fast, even if restarting didn't work. How to demand refunds for lost service and the alternatives if Mediacom keeps failing you. Alright, first, do this before you even call Mediacom. Step 1. Hard reset. Unplug your modem and router for a full 30 seconds, not just 10. Trust me, 30 seconds makes the difference. Step 2. Check outages. Head to downdetector.com, or use their mobile app search Mediacom, and look for those outage spikes. If you see a big red trend, it's not just you. Step 3. Bypass Wi-Fi. Plug your computer straight into the modem with an Ethernet cable. If it works, your router's the problem, not Mediacom. Still nothing? Time to force Mediacom to help. Their phone line is a nightmare, so use these proven shortcuts. Call 1-800-332-0245. Say agent over and over to skip the robot. DM at Mediacom support on Twitter, X. They respond faster than phone support. Or email executives directly, executive customer service at MediacomCC.com. This actually works about 90% of the time. And here's the key: demand compensation. Say, I want a credit for my downtime. If they push back, threaten to file an FCC complaint. I've seen people get $20, $50, even $100 credits just for standing up for themselves. Now, if you're just with Mediacom's BS, here's who to switch to T-Mobile or Verizon 5G home, no cables, just $50 a month if it's in your area. Starlink great for rural spots but a bit pricey. Or search ISP near me for local fiber options. Tons of users have switched and the outages stopped, but if Mediacom screwed you over, fight back. File an FCC complaint at consumercomplaints.fcc.gov. This forces Mediacom to respond. Blast them on social media with the hashtag #MediacomOutage and tag at Mediacom Cable. Petition your city for more ISP competition. Some people even scored $100 credits after FCC complaints. Bottom line, Mediacom can't ignore you if you use these tricks. So drop a comment: did these fixes work? Or are you an already switching providers? And if you've ever been stuck in buffering hell, check out my next video, how to boost your internet speed for free. Smash that subscribe, and I'll see you there.